kind-hearted personality that signifies with the educational community's vision, leadership and dedication, and plays a pivotal role in shaping the direction and policies of our educational institution. A commitment to excellence, innovation and student welfare is evident in her tireless efforts to ensure the highest education and professional development standards. In this momentous occasion, I am pleased to extend a warm welcome to Reverend Sister Arubi, the Secretary, the Council of the ICM Educational Institution. Today we are so honored to have her among us to deliver the presidential address. Sister.
Esteemed guest, Mr. Isaac and Father Thomas Alex, my dear sisters, respected faculty and beloved students and parents. It is a privilege to stand before you on this auspicious occasion as we celebrate the College Day at St. Ignatius College of Education, Palangodai. Today we gather under the inspiring theme of Champions Beyond Borders, a testament to our role as future stewards of our planet, extending your impact across the planet globe. The theme, Green Champions Beyond Borders, encapsulates the vision of sustainability that transcends geographical boundaries and cultural differences. This theme echoes the word of Margaret Mead, who once said, "Never doubt that a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has." It emphasizes the interconnectedness of all living beings and the shared responsibility we have promoting on our planet. As Rachel Carson noted, in nature, nothing exists alone. And we must recognize the universal scope of our mission. Green Champions advocate for sustainable practices and environmental stewardship, striving for a world where people and nature coexist harmoniously. Let us take inspiration from these words and unite in our pursuit of a more sustainable and equitable future for all. On this occasion, I would like to express my profound gratitude and appreciation for the outstanding leadership of Sister Gemma, the Secretary, and Sister Madonna, the Principal. Under their guidance, the college has blossomed into a beacon of knowledge and innovation, enriching the community with their vision and dedication. They have created an environment that encourages academic excellence, nurtures creativity, and embraces inclusivity. Their unwavering commitment to the holistic development of our students make them champions of our college's mission. To our esteemed faculty members, I express my deepest appreciation for your enduring dedication to excellence in education. Your mentorship, guidance, and passion for teaching have shaped the minds and future of countless students, and for that we are truly grateful. To our remarkable students, we offer my heartfelt congratulations on your outstanding achievements. Your hard work, perseverance, and pursuit of excellence have brought honor to our institution and inspired us all. As you step into the next chapter of your journey, may you continue to strive your greatness and make a meaningful impact on the world. May this College Day be a celebration of your accomplishments and an affirmation of our shared commitment to knowledge, growth, and sustainability. Let us carry forward the values of our theme, Green Champions Beyond Borders, as we work together to create a brighter and greener future for all. Thank you, and may this day be a source of inspiration and joy for all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for sharing your wisdom and knowledge with us. To extend our heartfelt gratitude in this special occasion, I invite Sister Relin Priya, Student Council President, to deliver the vote of thanks and extend our appreciation and gratitude to everyone involved in making this event a resounding success. Please, sister.
With great joy, I spread my profound thanks to each and every one of you for gracing us with your presence and making this College Day celebration with a theme, Green Champions Beyond Borders. A great man is different from an eminent one in that he is ready to be the servant of the society, says Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I express my deepest gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Senior Council Advocate, Mr. Isaac Mohanlal, Isaac Chambers, Madurai Bench of Madras High Court, a proactive and revolutionary and nature lover, for his amiable presence here with us. Your esteemed insights and inspiring and encouraging words have stated a connection between nature and women, and these words have added great value with a responsibility to us. We are grateful for the time you have taken from your busy schedule to be with us today. Magnificent, thank you, sir. Life is beautiful because of the people we meet, says Simon Sinek. I am truly privileged in thanking radiant, reliable, and responsible Reverend Sister R. Ruby ICM, Secretary, the Council of ICM Education Institutions, Vice Chairperson, governing body of our college, who presided over this function. Sister, your participation has doubled our joy, and your inspiring presence and words have resonated deeply within us. Our humblest gratitude to you, dear sister. Gratitude is the outburst of joy, satisfied and content heart. It is with immense gratitude I thank the empowered, selfless, inspiring personality, Reverend Sister Rosama John, clinical psychologist, Superior of St. Ignatius Convent, for her compassionate and resolute support that enrich our institution and strengthen our lives. Wholehearted thank you, dear sister. Your energy introduces you before you even speak. My heartfelt gratitude to eloquent, equanimous and revolutionary Reverend Dr. D. Thomas Alexander S.J., former Principal, St. Xavier's College of Education, as our guest of honor. Thank you, Father, for gracing our college's celebration with your treasured presence. Your thoughtful and challenging words have left a lasting impression on all of us, and we are sure that we will go beyond borders to create a new world. Thank you, dear Father. Success is best when it's shared, says Howard. A prolific thanks to courteous, compassionate, and caring Reverend Sister A. Gemma, the secretary of our college. Under her guidance, we have witnessed a remarkable achievements in various aspects of our college. Your delightful service have been instrumental in making this event a memorable one. Dazzling thank you, dear sister. Visionaries show that people are higher and lead by example. My heart overflowing gratitude to enthusiastic, exuberant, and enduring Reverend Sister Dr. L. Vasanthi Medona, the principal of our college. Your visionary leadership has guided us through triumphs and excellence. The presentation of annual report and a video presentation was just amazed about all our excellence. Your enthusiasm and hard work are the heart of our college. Thanks a million, sister, for being a source of encouragement. An earnest gratitude to supportive and vibrant Reverend Sister Vasanthi Mary Brinda, the headmistress, St. Ignatius Convent Higher Secondary School, for her sage guidance and support in our academic journey and sharing our joy on this evening. Marvelous thank you, dear sister. Magnanimous thanks to laudable and preeminent Dr. M. Maria Seroja, Research Director, IQAC Coordinator and Associate Professor of Biological Science, for her efforts in all the meticulous planning and overseeing the quality assurance initiatives for the elevation of academic standards of our college. Thank you, dear ma'am. I am truly grateful to generous and gentle Dr. M. Anthony Raj, the principal in charge of St. Xavier's College of Education, for his esteemed presence and all his joint efforts in all our accomplishments. Resplendent thank you, respected sir. We are grateful to Reverend Dr. Maridas, Principal of St. Xavier's College, Palayamkottai, for his gracious presence with us. Thank you, sir. Luminous thanks to the sisters of ICM community. Your presence added a special touch to our gathering. Thank you, dear sisters. Incredible thanks to the special guest, Reverend Sister Nirmala Lewis, correspondent, St. Ignatius Convent Higher Secondary School, Dr. G. Selvaraj, correspondent, Magdalene Matriculation School, Dr. A. Lutsam, former IQAC Corner, St. Xavier's College, Mrs. Sanita Inigo, Principal, Joe's Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Dr. A. Michael J. Leo, Dean and IQAC Coordinator, St. Xavier's College of Education, Mr. Narambu Nathan, Writer, Reverend Sister Sudha, Mr. Basha, Advocate, Mr. Gnanasekhar, Advocate, and all the special guests and well-wishers to this evening. We are deeply appreciative of the time you have invested in being with us and making the celebration more colorful. Profound thank you, dear distinguished guests. Fervent thanks to astute and erudite Dr. E.C. Punitha, Dean and Associate Professor of English, candid and competent Dr. R. Indra Mary Eril Selvi, Controller of the Examination and Assistant Professor of Psychology, serene and strategic Dr. A. Jayasra, Vice Principal and Assistant Professor of History, and all the diligent professors and approachable administrative staff for their commitment and tireless work to ensure smooth functioning of our college day. Splendid gratitude to you, dear professors and administrative staff. I constitute my gratitude to our beloved and sacrificial parents for your loving presence and encouragement, which shape us and take us high to fly with colors. Thank you, dear beloved parents. I share my most heartfelt gratitude to the staff and students of St. Xavier's College of Education for your vibrant and outstanding support on this special occasion. Thank you, dear professors and friends. Sincere appreciation to all our campus inmates, members of the media, and the team of technicians for allowing us to reach broader audience, and your expertise behind the scenes has been essential. Thank you all. Finally, yet importantly, marvelous thanks to all our student teachers and scholars of our college for your amazed achievements, creativity, and drive. Your innate ability has beautified this college day as an overwhelming success. Exquisite thank you, dear friends. Once again, thank you each and every one of you for being part of our celebration today. Wishing you all a pleasant evening. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your string of gratitude in your words. Thank you all for being a part of this special day. Let's celebrate with joy, gratitude, and sense of pride in all that we have accomplished together. Utilize the Ignition Cultural Feast with a dancing and enthusiastic performance of our student teachers, which will be the spectacular performance, energetic one by our student teachers. I hope you will enjoy the day. Thank you all.